He's videoing now. It's on. Now, you gotta turn around because it's videoing your face. It's a bit windy. Now, over here. You ready?
No, come on.
People are gonna be watching this.
Yeah.
Are you getting it? Sorry. Can you see it, Mum? Oh, you should move in front of this tree, eh? You're right in front of a tree.
The dog's go on the road. Embarrassing.
This is what you call a toy. Oh shit! We gotta rescue it up here, Mum. Birdie's up in the tree somewhere. Birdie! Hello? Oh, there he is. Right here. I'll show you over here. He's right there. Up in the branch. So we've got to shake Birdie down. Here he is. Let's take him for one more quick fly. Oh, is it even videoing?
Yeah.
Shit, I thought it was stopped. Okay. Here we go, everybody. Overall, Birdie the King. Move forward, mother, please. Here we go. You'll thank me for this. Oh, shit. Cut.